Well, I don't know what better way to kick off Hospital Week, which is a national day or National Week this week, and also coming on the heels of Mother's Day this past Sunday. What better day than to celebrate the groundbreaking of the new Beekley Center for Breast Health and Wellness at Bristol Hospital. Speaking as an employee and as a member of the executive team, my name is Eva Wickwire. I'm the Chief Development Officer here and Assistant Vice President. And so many of us have been involved from the beginning with this project, and there are so many people that we would like to thank. But first of all, I'd just like to thank the whole community for being there for us and for contributing to this project.
Eva said it, she talked about the community and the support the community provides to this organization. And I have to tell you, having been here just about 7 years now, the thing that strikes me the most about this community is when there's something important to get done, we get it done. We absolutely get it done. And that's true for the Cancer Center we built probably about 5 years ago now, and this Breast Health Center. And there's always someone that steps up and takes an incredibly important leadership role in this. Before I introduce Ann LaPlante from the Beekley Corporation, I want to mention Dr. Varanasi. Dr. Varanasi is joining us. Dr. Varanasi. She is a fellowship-trained breast surgeon, and she comes from New York, and we're excited. She's just waiting for her Connecticut license at this time, and we're excited to have her here. She will actually be in the center. Her clinic will be in the center, and she will oversee the direction of the center as well, so we're thrilled to have her here. And as I said, the community support and the leadership role that individuals take, I can't say enough about the Beekley Corporation. They have literally stepped up throughout the years, supported the breast project, the free mammograms for women throughout the community. And when this conversation started several years ago, we met with the Beekley Corporation and the sisters that own it. And we described for them the concept of a breast and health and wellness center here at this hospital. And they embraced it. And without their support, without their funds, this wouldn't be possible. So, Ann, thank you so much. Thank you.
On behalf of the Beekley Family Foundation, the shareholders, and all 90 Beekley associates, I am thrilled to be on this journey with Bristol Hospital and the Development Foundation to create this beautiful and healing state-of-the-art Beekley Breast Health and Wellness Center at Bristol Hospital. It combines two passions of Beekley Corporation, part of our ultimate reason for being, the opportunity for community give back and to help save lives and provide better patient care. We are excited that this is in sight. We have the opening later this year, and we will have many at the ribbon cutting ceremony. I did get Dr. Jim Sayre, who many of you know, whose brainchild this was, and he sent me an email this morning, and I just thought I would share this with you. And congratulations on the groundbreaking ceremony tomorrow. My heart and soul are with you in this effort. We cannot thank you enough for what you are doing for the women of Bristol with breast disease. I am sorry I will not be able to attend, but I will be there in spirit. He's having a knee replacement, and we wish him well. He is a hero and legend at Beekley. We have all used him, and he is one of the big reasons we come to Bristol Hospital. So thank you, and we're thinking of you, Dr. Sayre. Joyce Chase, a breast cancer survivor and a fan of Bristol Hospital and a 21-year veteran of Beekley as a medical sales specialist who does this for a living. She sells our Beekley skin markers to hospitals and clinics in the United States, Canada, and other places, and they have been used now in millions of procedures in the 21 years that she has sold them, and she is a real fan, and again, a breast cancer survivor. She's here to tell us what this center means to her. Joyce?
Hi, everyone. Well, as a breast cancer survivor of 10 years and doing great, and a longtime Beekley associate, this project means a lot to me. It's just wonderful to have been part of the planning committee for the breast center and be able to recommend things that other patients and women would appreciate and would help them greatly. And I look forward to what the state-of-the-art center and holistic type of care can provide for women in this community. It's just going to be wonderful, and I wish the very best to everyone involved, and it's a great service for all of us in the community. Thank you.
Thank you, Joyce. Next, I'd like to bring up the design build team. that will begin with Mr. Bill Massetti, the president of ACG North. Bill?
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Bill Massetti. I'm president of ACG North America. And first, I'd like to thank President Barwis and Bristol Hospital for allowing our firm to serve you in creating this new Beekley Center for Breast Health and Wellness. We're very, very much appreciative of the opportunity in completing this most important project together. Our center will include state-of-the-art mechanical, electrical, and IT systems and equipment. The program spaces will be inclusive of the state-of-the-art resource and educational spaces, mammography rooms, ultrasound rooms, bone density, stereotactic biopsy rooms, accessible changing spaces, doctor's office, exam rooms, consultation rooms, and nurses' navigation offices. Some of the special design features you will see momentarily include a water feature at the entrance of our facility, a robe warmer, warm finishes and a spa-like environment and a retreat setting, a variety of unique seating options and locations for seating, accent lighting, soft and inviting background music, individual HVAC room control, acoustical treatment to control sound transfer and maintain a soothing environment, and custom millwork to provide a non-clinical look but providing the most efficient layout. We're excited to be underway. Thank you very much.
Now, before I invite a couple of our key individuals here to step up to unveil the plans, I just want to make one point very clear. This would not be happening here if it weren't for community support, as was mentioned a little earlier. But please know that more than $2 million was raised by the Beekley Corporation, the Beekley Family Foundation, hospital employees, community members, other corporations and individuals and civic groups throughout the area. So this is a philanthropically oriented event that's going on today. So it feels so good for all of us to feel the pride and sense of community by having the community support this project. We are now giving it back to the community where it belongs. So we know that it will be well used, and I want you all to know that the Beekley Foundation and Corporation are the $1 million naming donors. So thank you to them most of all.
There'll also be some areas for display of some pamphlets and some informational takeaways. So that will be separated by this curved glass, which will also act as a display area, kind of a centralized seating area. There's some kind of separate areas over on both sides, and then some banquettes to allow spouses or other caregivers or other folks that are coming with you. There's a subwaying area, away from the noise and action out front. And it's a little bit more of a reflective space